We have many, especially older patients, but also patients with chronic diseases who come into the hospital and are sent home very shortly because we have made the diagnosis and treated the patients. Some of the patients are in a risk for being more serious ill than we can judge from the clinical practice, and we believe that suPAR is a test who can predict the risk for the patients better than the clinical condition. So that's why we choose to use suPAR in our daily routine.
If you have a high suPAR, then the patient should be admitted to the hospital for a longer stay and examined throughoutly. And if you have a low suPAR, then you are able to discharge the patient. Today at Hvidovre University Hospital, suPAR is a part of the clinical routine. It's one of the blood samples that is measured in everyday life.
The suPARnostic quick triage test from ViroGates, Denmark. In only 20 minutes, it can determine the patient's suPAR level for triaging medical emergency room patients.